Okay, so today we're gonna be fixing this 6-button OBC. The LED screen has this ink bleed on it, so bought a new part from Garagistic. It's just the LED screen, so let's try to pull this out and replace the LED screen and see if that works. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is try to pry this out using a flathead screwdriver. It would be better to have like a pick tool, but we'll see if we can get it out this way, just by putting the flathead screwdriver along the edges and then prying it out without breaking the clips. All right, so got the front cover off. As you can tell, there are 4 clips in the corners there, and it's tapered, so it should be easy to just slide your flathead screwdriver in. Now we have these 2 lever things, and we got to push both of them in and the whole thing should come out, and I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver to do that. Okay, so I squeezed both of those in. Now we're pulling this out slowly so we don't want to break anything. There should be a clip on the back that we want to unplug. Okay, just pulled this out. The plug, this blue plug right here, is attached into this green part right here, but this lever needs to be flicked up in order for the plug to be released. So had to do that blind because it didn't pull far enough out for me to look at it to do that. Okay, we have the onboard computer inside now. Flipping it over, we're gonna try to put the flathead screwdriver through this ridge and the one on the bottom in order to take the back off so we can get inside and replace that LED. All right, that was a delicate process, but when you get your slim flathead screwdriver into the grooves, it pops out. This is the circuit board. We're not touching that. We need to replace the LED screen, which is in that white part right here. First thing we're gonna do is remove this plastic piece. Okay, so we pulled the clear plastic thing out that spreads the light, and now we're gonna unscrew these 5 screws that we see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now that we have the screws out, I'm gonna pull this off. Okay, now we have the white piece here. I'm gonna try to be very delicate with that because now there are 3 layers here. This is the white orange protector. This, I guess, is what gives it its color, makes it orange. And this is the screen right here. As you can see, mine is dirty and has had ink bleed. Okay, so now we have our new LED screen, and this foam piece right here, strangely enough, is what transmits the data from the back of the board to the LED screen. So I'm gonna fit that between the grooves more securely. Then I'm gonna put the new LED screen on. So this is the new LED screen. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a ridge, and that ridge needs to be facing up when we drop it back in to the bigger plastic piece, because that's what needs to touch that foam piece right there. So let's try to do that. Following the LED screen, I put the orange shield. I'm gonna add the white shield afterwards, and then we're gonna drop the white plastic piece in last. Okay, I just dropped it in with that foam piece at the bottom of the plastic shield on, and I believe it's level, but you know, I won't know till we actually plug it in and make sure that it works. Now I'm gonna drop this board back in, and what we're gonna wanna make sure is that the metal bolts are coming out of here and here, because that will show that it's, you know, sitting down completely flush and level. All right, we screwed all 5 screws back in, and most importantly, you can see these metal things peeking out of those 2 holes, meaning that the board is level and flush. Okay, now I'm gonna put this zebra thing back in there. The hole goes right above those metal contact points. Okay, now we're gonna put these 2 back together. Notice this long LED light thing needs to fit into this hole right here, and these male things need to fit into this female thing. Very technical terms. All right, we just put that back together, so let's go to the car and see if it works. All right, so we put the OBC back in, doing the opposite of everything we did to take it out, and I set it, and this thing is working in this car for the first time in a long time. Okay.